Okay, dear, what is reservoir rock? Reservoir rock refers to subsurface rock containing petroleum. Any subsurface rock that have petroleum is termed as reservoir rock. But more technically, reservoir rock refers to a rock possessing both the porosity and permeability to contain and yield oil or gas or both in commercial quantities. Reservoir rock refers to that rock which have both porosity and permeability so that it may contain and produce oil or gas, or both oil and gas in commercial quantities, then such rock is called as reservoir rock. There are two essential elements of reservoir rock. Number first is that reservoir rock should have pores or voids, that is porosity to contain significant petroleum. रिजर्वायर रॉक में जो सबसे पहला एलिमेंट है, सबसे पहला प्रीरिक्विजिट है, वो उसके लिए वो उसमें पोर्स की मौजूदगी है. इट मस्ट हैव पोर्स. पोर्स किस लिए जरूरी है? दैट इज पोर्स का मतलब कि पोरासिटी होनी चाहिए, सो दैट इट मे कंटेन पेट्रोलियम, और पेट्रोलियम स्टोर कर सके, उसमें पेट्रोलियम हो सके, पाया जा सके. सेकंड क्वालिटी or second element or second property of reservoir rock is these pores must be interconnected. Interconnected pores means that it should have permeability so that it allow movement of fluids into or out of these voids or pores. Number first, they must have pores. Pores, presence of pores mean that the reservoir rock should have porosity. And second element of reservoir rock is that these pores must be interconnected. And this interconnection or interconnected pores give rise or it give rise to presence of permeability. When pores are interconnected, then such rock is called as permeable rock. It is said to have permeability. So the reservoir rock must have porosity as well as permeability. The reservoir rock can be different from source rock with respect to grain size and pore spaces. It can be different from the source rock on the basis of grain sizes as well as pore spaces. Porosity of reservoir rock generally ranges between 5 to 30%. पोरासिटी जो है रिजर्वायर रॉक की 5 से लेकर 30% तक रिजर्वायर रॉक की पोरासिटी हो सकती है.